Most developers treat brokers like Pokémon, collecting them without understanding their powers. Today, we're ending the confusion between Kafka, RabbitMQ, and MQTT. The industry has a Kafka-first fallacy. You're reaching for an 18-wheeler truck to move a single grocery bag. We need a framework to stop guessing. Think of MQTT as your delivery scooter fast, edge-connected. RabbitMQ is your local courier, reliable and logical. Kafka? That's the freight train, massive capacity, but it takes 3 miles to stop and a city to maintain. MQTT is the language of the edge. It was designed for low bandwidth and unreliable networks. Its power lies in quality of service levels. QoS 0 is fire and forget. QoS 1 guarantees delivery but might duplicate. QoS 2 is the 4-way handshake exactly once delivery, even if the world is ending. It's built from millions of tiny connections, not for your backend service to service communication. If you aren't dealing with physical sensors or mobile clients with flaky data, you're in the wrong neighborhood. RabbitMQ is a smart broker. The intelligence lives in the infrastructure, not the code. Its exchange system is a routing masterpiece. Direct exchanges for exact matches, fan-out for broadcasting, topic exchanges for pattern matching with wildcards, and headers for complex attribute-based logic. It handles acknowledgement patterns natively. Once a message is processed and ACKed, it's gone. It's perfect for task queues and microservice orchestration, where the logic of who gets what changes faster than your code can keep up. Kafka isn't a broker. It's a distributed, immutable commit log. In Kafka, consumers are just pointers in a file. This is the superpower of replayability. You can rewind time, reprocess last week's data, and build new materialized views from scratch. But this comes with the Kafka tax: partitions, replication factors, and the operational overhead of kreft. You don't have total order across a topic, only within a partition. If you just need to send a user-created event to a single consumer, Kafka is a black hole for your productivity. Here is the matrix: MQTT for IoT, RabbitMQ for logic and tasks, Kafka for streaming and event sourcing. If your message volume is under 10,000 a second and you don't need to replay data from 3 days ago, use RabbitMQ. Stop importing Zookeeper or kraft metadata just to send a JSON message. Architecture is about trade-offs, not trends. Use the right tool or pay the tax. Subscribe for more architectural sanity.